I've got these half sheets of the full sheets of phyllo dough. So I'm using just one roll, but then I'm cutting them in half. To that we're adding, this is about half a stick of butter. We're just putting a little bit on each ball of phyllo just to make it crisp up in the oven. This is such a great little appetizer that you can make for like a watch party or just for a weekend barbecue. I've got some spinach here. It's already been drained out of the can. This is such an easy recipe because you don't need to cook anything. Just need to put everything together and then it goes in the oven. Just a little dollop of spinach in each one. If you don't like spinach, you can replace this with, I don't know, collard greens or some other green vegetable. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. I kind of like spinach, so I'm okay with that. Once we have our spinach on top of our buttered phyllo dough, I think that one probably could use just a little bit extra like that. Perfect. To that, we're going to be cracking 6 eggs, just like so. Just whip that up real quick. And we're just going to pour a little bit over every cup. This is such an easy way to kind of stretch out your eggs because normally you would use like an egg per cup, but because we're scrambling them, kind of goes a little bit further. A little bit of pepper goes on top of all of that. And a little bit of salt. I'm going to be adding some sun-dried tomatoes, kind of add like a little Italian flavor to these, just a couple of pieces. This is already cut up. You could use the kind that's in oil if you'd like, but you don't have to. These are going to be so good. Add a little bit of tomato flavor. And I kind of like using these sun-dried tomatoes instead of the canned tomatoes so that it doesn't get super watery. And then we're going to top everything with some Parmesan cheese and make it a little fancy. These Italian breakfast phyllo cups are going to look so good when they're out on a brunch table. And then all you have to do is put this in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Wow, take a look at how these turned out. The sun-dried tomatoes have gotten nice and soft. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one, show you what it looks like. Look, little pastry cup, nicely, perfectly cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite. Are you kidding me? These are great. Little eggy, spinach, sun-dried tomato, Italian cheese. Totally make these. They'll be a hit.